Just between the mountains where the sky meets the lake, the sun slowly heats it and the city lies awake. Connected with the mainland by a slim stretch of road, Antelope Island, you made my body float. You left me in awe. You left me astounded. The beauty you hold is etched on my mind. On my mind. Blue fades to grayish like the mountain in the lake. Your salty kisses left a great taste.